Observability for Spring AI, why every model call needs a trace. Spring AI sits in the middle of every call, and it is already wired to report on what happens there. You just have to turn the lights on. The call works. You still don't know which model answered, how many tokens it burned, how long it took, or what to look at when it's wrong at 2 a.m. 3 pillars: logs, metrics, traces. The same 3 you'd want for any production service. Spring AI just applies them to a model call by default. 1 advisor. Add Simple Logger Advisor to the ChatClient builder, flip the advisor package to debug, and every request and response lands on your console, including token usage. Every call auto-emits a duration meter and a token usage meter, already tagged by provider and model. You didn't write a single line of instrumentation code for this. 1 ChatClient call is really a small tree of spans. The top span is your ChatClient call. Everything else nests inside it. The model call and the HTTP hop out to the provider, each with its own duration. When something is slow, you see exactly where the time went, not just that it happened. Tags are on by default and safe. The actual words of the prompt and the response are not, and that is deliberate. Flip these keys and prompt and completion text land in the trace. That text now lives wherever your tracing backend lives, a data residency call, not a default anyone should silently ship. Cost control, SLA and latency, incident forensics, audit trail. This is the difference between a demo and something a bank or a regulated platform team can actually sign off on. You can see it now. Next, prove it's right. Evaluation, Guardrails, Hallucination Control, Episode 10.